Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna draw Ikonik from Fortnite. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie, or crayons. I'm gonna begin with drawing a curved line at the left side of his head. One curved line, like that, and then another curved line on the right side, like that, and then in the middle I'm gonna draw another curved line like that, and at the bottom I'm gonna join the line on the left and right at the meeting point in the middle, like that. So now I'm gonna draw the face mask. So I'm gonna start at the middle point on the left side here, and I'm gonna do slightly curved line downwards and to the right, like that, and then go up as you reach the middle point, and then go back down and meet at the right corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a line downwards slightly to the right of the center point of his face mask, and directly downwards like that, and then another one the same direction like that, and then I'm gonna draw the hair. So I'm gonna start off from the center to the right, to the left here. I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and towards the right, like that, and then I'm gonna twist it to the left and stop there. And then I'm gonna take that point and I'm gonna go and do another curved line upwards like that, and then meet that at the top of the head. And then I'm gonna take this point over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line, a similar style. I'm gonna draw downwards, but this time more to the right, like that. Then I'm gonna go back up and stop there. And then on the left side I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point and go down, and then I'm gonna go back up and to the side and stop there. And I'm gonna draw another smaller similar shape at the side here. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw his eyebrows. From this point I'm gonna draw a line across slightly towards downwards and to the right, like that. And then I'm gonna draw from that point a short line upwards, and then we're gonna trace that line from that point. I'm gonna repeat that for the right side here, and continue that at this point. And now I'm gonna draw the eye. So for his eyes, I'm gonna draw the upper parts of his eyes first. So I'm gonna take this point over here from the hair and go to the right and slightly upwards, and then we're gonna go down and stop there. I'm gonna repeat that for the right side, I'm gonna take from the end point at the side point and go to the left and go down. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw the lower part of his eyes. This time I'm gonna draw a more curvy line. I'm gonna connect that from this inner point to the outer point of his eyes, like that. The same goes to the left side, like that. And then for inside of the eyes, I'm gonna draw a round shape, and then another round shape inside, and fill that up. And then I'm gonna draw a smaller round shape at this corner here, and repeat that for the right side. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw the outer part of his hood. So I'm gonna take this point here slightly to his left and below his cheek, and I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side upwards, like that. I'm gonna repeat that for the right side. That. And I'm gonna join that two lines with a curved line again. We're gonna create some sort of bulgy looking shape on the top of the head, like that. Okay, now I'm moving on to the shirt. I'm gonna draw I'm gonna connect the bottom point of the hood just now at the sides, and just make a line towards the center and meet at the center, like that, like that. And then at the center point, I'm gonna draw a line. I'm gonna draw 4 lines downwards where the string of the hood is. That. Another 2. And then I'm gonna draw a circle for both of the strings, like that. And then below that, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape, like that. And then we're going to the side of his shirt. I'm gonna draw his elbow, like that. I'm gonna draw the sleeves. So I'm gonna draw from this point going downwards and slightly to the left, like that. And for the inner part here, I'm gonna draw a curved line, and then I'm gonna draw a line downwards. And then I'm gonna connect those 2 points with a curved line. And then from slightly inside of that both point, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. And then I'm gonna draw another line downwards, this time slightly inwards, like that. The same goes to this side. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line, a tiny curved line for both sides. I'm gonna join those 2 lines with a curved line, and then from those 2 points at the side, I'm gonna draw 2 short lines and connect that with another curved line. And then from the sides, I'm gonna draw his glove. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a series of short curves. That, another curve, and then I'm gonna draw a curve there, another curve, a line, another curve, a line, another curve, a line, and another curve, And from the last point, I'm gonna connect that to this point, these 2 points here, with a curved line like that. And then the fingers, I'm gonna draw some curved line as well. That, and for the thumb, and repeat that for the right side. So line downwards. So now at the side of the shirt, I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that. Same goes to the left side. And then I'm gonna connect those 2 points with a curved line across. And now at the side of the shirt, I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that. And then continue that beyond the hand and stop there. The same goes to the right side. And then in the middle of the shorts, I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that. And then slightly off the center to the sides, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. That. And then we're gonna draw some details. So I'm gonna draw some short curve lines like that. Same goes to the left side like that. And then at the right side of the short pants, I'm gonna draw a line like that, another line there. And then below, I'm gonna continue to draw his legs. So I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that, and another line on this side like that. And then for the right leg, and then for the shoes, we're gonna draw the upper parts of the shoe. So we're gonna draw something like that. And then like that. And then for behind the shoes to the heel, I'm gonna draw a short curve line. And from this front point here, I'm gonna draw to the front a short curve line like that. And then a semicircle to the front. And then I'm gonna connect the heel to the front of the shoe with a curved line. That. And then I'm gonna trace that line in the front part towards the bottom for the base of the shoe, like that. And for the shoe tie, I'm gonna draw a series of worm shape, or worm shape 1, and then worm shape 2, and then another worm shape. And then from there, I'm gonna draw a short line here, and then a short line downwards towards the base of the shoes, like that. And then for this side, I'm gonna draw a line down there and then go to the side. And then we're gonna repeat for the right side. Okay, for the sleeves, I'm gonna draw a line from this point here and just follow the outer line of the sleeve like that. And the same goes to the right sleeve, like that. And then at the hood, I'm gonna draw another line from this point over here. I'm gonna draw upwards, a curve line like that, and to the same direction, offset a bit to the right over here. I'm gonna draw the same line like that. And I think we're done with Ikonik. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.